Mama. Hello and welcome back to another video. This week we're sharing a look at some of our favorite places around Piha Beach area. Over the past few months we've been a few times and I swear it gets more beautiful with every visit. I love that it's only 40 minutes from our home in Auckland. But first let's start with some coffee. We're gonna get some hokey pokey coffee and then we're gonna drive over back to the Piha area and do the Mercer loop. So we're really excited. I've had multiple people recommend it to us and I think it's gonna be beautiful.
It's a little hot. Wow.
Woo! Looks so fancy. It's hokey pokey coffee. These fries are amazing. I think this is what you do. It's beautiful. This is like the most delicious combination I've ever tasted. That coffee was so sweet and it was really good. It was a lot though. But yeah, now we're heading over to the trail. Made it to the trailhead. Off to a great start. It's so pretty over here. Oh, I love the West Coast and we've only really been to a couple places on it. I wish I had more time to just spend exploring all the time. This is pretty steep. We're gonna get a good workout on the way back up. Work off all that hokey pokey. It just keeps getting prettier. Are you so excited? Oh, you're too cute. Look at you. Wow. Oh, it is so pretty out here. The waves, and the hills are just golden and glowing. Oh, it is so beautiful. I think I've said that 6 times already. But yeah, it's pretty steep going back up. This part isn't, which is why I'm able to breathe and talk at the same time. Lots of stairs. Where's Mama? Dada. No, not Dada, Mommy. you little stinky. Not Dada, Mama. 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 Dada stinker. We actually went out to Piha back this last April when it was still warmer weather and absolutely beautiful. I knew the second that we got here that I would want to come back again and again, and I was right. Piha Beach is a black sand beach because of all the volcanic rocks around. It's one of my favorite places.
It's just insane because in this little area, there's so much to see and do. Like, this is our third time out to this area, and we've done something different every time. And every single one of the things is so beautiful. I'm always like, oh, I just want to come out and do this one thing again. Within 10 minutes of each other. You can do Mercer Bay Loop Trail. You can do the Kitekite Falls. You can go to Piha Beach. I'm out of breath because we're running up. We just went to Kitekite Falls and they are beautiful. Again, it's one of those things where you don't look into it, you just go to it, and it's so much better than you ever expected. It is so beautiful. I mean, even the tramp to it is gorgeous. So that alone would be worth it, but then you get to the falls and they're just gorgeous. And this is why we're out of breath. You just keep going forever. We've already been doing this for like a minute. You're like a trotting horse. Still going. It's literally still going. I don't know how. We didn't climb up this high. Look how like milky the water is. This track is just so lush and beautiful. I love it out here. Just have this beautiful babbling brook singing next to you the whole way, and there's just little birdies floating around. Oh, I love the west coast of New Zealand. Not gonna lie. No, I won't say it's my favorite. I won't. Because I haven't experienced summer on the east coast yet, which I feel like is very magical. Lots of stairs.
Now we're tramping to the Tasman Lookout to watch the sunset over Piha Beach. If you ever get the chance to visit New Zealand, or if you're lucky enough to already live in New Zealand, then definitely go visit the Piha Beach and the surrounding area because it is so beautiful and definitely worth it. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next week.